Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you a quick demo of a program called System Picker, and in order for you to be able to see it better I will zoom in a bit. Now System Picker is a program that allows you to swap between multiple installations of Macintosh systems on one computer. Now as you see I have multiple hard drives here. These are, mostly SCSI2SDs, but I will open up Lido so you can see that these are indeed different SCSI devices. And with System Picker you can swap around, which means I can not only swap around between systems like here that are simultaneously on one drive, but also between systems that are on several drives. So here you can see that we have the hard drive indicated, so the HD, the Mac SE HD, and the Macintosh HD with two systems. And here I can just choose whatever system I want. The first one is the current active system. And now I want to swap to the System 608 on the Macintosh HD. And I just activate it here. And I will hit restart. And what happens is the computer just directly restarts and reboots into the system you have just chosen. So when I go to About the Finder, we have System 608. You see the hard drives are arranged differently because this is the SCSI priority more or less. And I have just swapped to System 608. Now again, I can just take this, choose System 7.1, hit restart, and it will boot into System 7.1 on that very same hard drive. So this could be really useful if you want to try software on different Macintosh versions, or if you have software that is not running on your computer, but it might be running on a different software version. So you can go around easily with the System Picker to just choose another system. I will do it once more and swap to System 755, which is usually my main system I'm using. And this will now probably take a little bit longer to load, but System 755 is the latest version of System 7 running on this Mac SE I have here, and it's definitely the most advanced system version I have, with which you can do the most. So mostly I'm in here, but for instance, if you want to create 400k floppy disks, you just swap back to System 6, and System 6 can do it more easily than System 7. Now again, like I said, 755 takes a bit to load. Sometimes, I guess that will happen now, it starts rebuilding the desktop files for whatever reason. No, it does not. It loads all of the hard drives, and I'm in System 755. Just wanted to share this with you because it's very practical. I will post a link to the System Picker on Macintosh Garden, and since that website doesn't work as it should lately, I will also post a link to Macintosh repository where I can get the System Picker easily. Take care and have a great day.